Imagine a world where AI doesn't just assist you but actually works like a human colleague, scheduling meetings, summarizing emails, and even drafting reports before you ask. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's happening right now. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat is changing the way businesses operate, and the results are mind-blowing. But wait, before we dive in, here's a quick challenge for you. Do you think AI will completely replace human employees in the future? Type yes or no in the comments. Let's see how many of you are ready for this AI revolution. Now, let's uncover the truth behind Microsoft 365 Copilot and how it's transforming business productivity like never before. What is Microsoft 365 Copilot? Microsoft 365 Copilot is not just another AI tool, it's an AI-powered assistant integrated into the Microsoft 365 suite, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. It uses advanced AI models, including OpenAI's GPT-4, to enhance productivity, automate repetitive tasks, and provide intelligent suggestions. But here's something that might shock you. A recent study found that AI-driven tools like Copilot can save up to 40% of an employee's time on daily tasks. Imagine what that means for businesses worldwide. And speaking of time, if you want AI to save your time too, then hit that like button now. Let's see how many of you want to work smarter, not harder. How does Microsoft 365 Copilot work? Microsoft 365 Copilot works by deeply integrating with your workflow. Unlike basic AI chatbots, Copilot learns from your work patterns, understands the context of your projects, and provides intelligent responses tailored to your needs. 1. In Word, it can draft entire reports, summarize long documents, and rewrite paragraphs with a more professional tone. 2. In Excel, it analyzes complex data, creates instant charts, and even predicts trends to help you make better decisions. 3. In PowerPoint, it can automatically generate presentations from raw data, complete with visually appealing slides. 4. In Outlook, it drafts emails for you and even summarizes long email threads so you don't have to read every message. 5. In Teams, it generates meeting notes, suggests action items, and even transcribes conversations in real time. Now, tell me, which of these features do you think is the most useful? Drop your answers in the comments below. How AI agents are changing business productivity. The introduction of AI-driven copilots is revolutionizing business operations in multiple ways. Increased efficiency. Employees spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time on strategic work. Better decision-making. With AI-driven insights, businesses can predict trends and make data-driven decisions faster. Reduced work stress. Instead of juggling multiple tasks, employees can delegate work to AI-powered assistants. But here's a big question: will AI take over jobs, or will it create new opportunities? What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Real-world impact of Microsoft 365 Copilot. Many companies are already using Copilot to transform their workflows. For example, a marketing agency used Copilot to generate social media content in seconds, reducing content creation time by 60%. A financial firm used it in Excel to automate financial modeling, cutting down complex calculations from hours to minutes. A healthcare company used it in Teams for real-time transcription, making patient data recording 100% error-free. Now, imagine your own work life, where AI takes care of the boring stuff, and you focus on the work that truly matters. Would you use AI like Copilot in your daily tasks? Let us know in the comments. The future of AI in business. Microsoft 365 Copilot is just the beginning. In the future, AI agents will not only assist but collaborate like real team members. Imagine AI attending meetings for you, negotiating contracts, or even making critical business decisions. But here's a scary thought. What if AI becomes too powerful and starts making decisions that we don't fully control? Is AI a blessing or a threat? Tell us your opinion in the comments. Final thoughts. Microsoft 365 Copilot is more than just AI, it's the future of work. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or an employee, adapting to AI is no longer an option, it's a necessity. So, if you found this video helpful and eye-opening, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the AI revolution. And remember, the future belongs to those who embrace AI, not fear it.